Hi there. Today I'll be showing you how the welcome page works for your QR menu. The welcome page is like an introduction to your establishment. It's like a page before they can enter your menu. To get to the welcome page or to activate your welcome page, firstly, of course, you need to open your Fine Dine dashboard. Then, as you can see here on the left side of my screen, go to Settings, go to the Welcome Page tab, and this should be the screen that you should be seeing. So it has a dine-in QR, and these are the icons that you should be activating and deactivating on the welcome page. So let's start with the first one. Once we have a display welcome page activated here, that means you've already activated the welcome page on your menu. So let me show you how it looks like. To get your QR for the welcome page, go to, of course, the settings, QR codes, then there should be the menu here, and just click on copy QR. And of course, if you have a phone, you can just scan the QR code here. But if you're using the desktop, just paste the link on a new tab. And this is how your welcome page is when you decide to display the welcome page. Now, when you deactivate it, let me show you how it looks like. When you deactivate it and we refresh the scan QR, this is how would look like. It would automatically go inside your menu, as you can see here on the screen. But once you activate it, let's try to refresh again. Oops. Alrighty. So this is how it would look like when you scan the QR code with the this display welcome page tab active. Now, if you want to display your venue name, so for instance, in this specific case, the name of the venue here is sample venue. So when we decide to activate it and refresh it, this is how your welcome page would look like. It would also display the venue name. Now, if you can see here, the display review us on Google button is activated. So this is the portion of it. What I did here is I placed, of course, the Fine Dine location, one of our branches here. I placed it here. So when they decide to, for instance, this is your establishment, click on the review us on Google button here. It would redirect it to your location or your plot on Google Maps. So that's is how this specific button look like. But of course, you need to put the link here for your establishment. And the next is a welcome message. So for instance, we want to put a welcome message. Like we want to put here, welcome to our menu. And decide to save it. And let's see how it would look like. Let's refresh this page. And voila, you have a welcome message here. So it's up to you what you want to put on the welcome message, something that might attract them to open the menu or something. It's entirely up to you on how you would like to use it. That is how it works. Now we go to the next one, the custom landing page. All right, so let me show you how the enable custom landing page works now. So when you decide to click on custom landing page and activate it, this drop down menu would appear. It has an option to put an image, display text button, display language options, display social media icons. So let's deactivate each and one of them first so we can show it to you one by one. So let's start with the image. So when you click on the image here, like for instance, we want a background to be something like more of, any background. Let's just put any background here. Let's just choose this one, similar to my logo. So let's wait for it to download. So make sure the better if you do the recommended resolution, which is 1536 by 2304 or bigger, with the file size less than 10 MB. Now, once you upload your photo, make sure to click on save and let me refresh this one. So this is how your custom landing or welcome page would look like when you decide to activate enable custom landing page. So it's just a blank screen now. This is just the photo. of how it looks like. When you decide to press or click on it, it would go inside your menu. Now let's try to activate these buttons one by one. So display text button. So we have a welcome button text here, which means enter menu button. So when we decide to activate it, and let's look for a more visible color like a color white and save. Let's refresh it so we can see how it looks like. So this is how it would look like. It has an enter menu button. Your clients can click on it so they can enter the menu. The next is display social media icons button. When you decide to activate it, let's turn it to color white as well so it would be very clear to see. Activate, save, and let's refresh so we can see how it would look like, the updated one. And as you can see, we have here our social media icon at the bottom. So next would be the language options position. You can put it at the top left or top right, at the middle. So for us, let's put it at the top left and let's change the color so we can see it to white. Save it. Let's refresh it. And it's here. So this is where your clients can choose which specific language they want for the menu. And make sure to save it. And well, this is a customized landing page. Now you can put here, your logo. You can put here any photo you want, depending on your preference. Now, when you decide to deactivate it, save it, it would go back to how your menu was with the regular. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We should be deactivating this one. Save it and refresh it. And well, we're back to the regular welcome page. Now, this just extra information for this specific logo. It would be seen here at the settings under venue information. You can change the logo to any logo you want. Let's try to show it to you guys. I delete the previous one. Let's make this other wallpaper as a logo, just for example. But you can put in the logo of your preference here. Click save. Let's refresh the menu so you can see how the QR looks like. And voila, this is now the updated logo. So that's how the welcome page works. Hopefully, this specific guide that we made helped you. And once again, if you have any questions, we're open 24 hours on our website. You can just drop a message, and we'll always glad to help out. So yeah, talk to you soon. Have a good one.